Welcome. In front of me is a TCL TAB Max, and today I will show you how you can put this tablet into recovery mode. So to get started, hold the power key, select power off, and once the tablet turns off you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Once you start holding those keys, after a moment you should see the TCL logo. Come on. Oh, there we go. Now once you see that logo you can let go after like a couple seconds and it will take you to the recovery mode. So there we go. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with that in mind, we can reboot the device and just go back to the normal mode. We can enter bootloader, which I believe this is just fast boot mode, and we also have the actual fast boot mode below that as well. We can apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, on system, view logs, run tests, and simply power off the tablet. So like I mentioned before, whatever you have selected, you will then confirm with power key. And because I wanted to leave this mode, I selected the reboot system now. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.